Hey everyone, how are you? Today I am taking a Mackenzie child printout of a plate and I'm going to use it in my 4th of July Patriotic Decor, but I didn't like this color blue because some of them are dark blue and that's the one I like. I don't decorate with blue, but for the 4th of July I thought these would be kind of cute to decorate with. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this midnight blue and go over the tops, and I've started, as you can see here, and I put Mod Podge on first, okay? I put a coat of Mod Podge. And now I'm just going to come in and do this, and I'm not touching the cream. The reason I put the Mod Podge first is so this paint, because this is just regular printer paper, and if you make a mistake like that you can wipe it off, plus it doesn't soak into the paper because I didn't want it to warp. I got a few other things that I'm going to be doing as well with the Pioneer Woman. I showed you in my haul a couple of the plates I got. And like I also told you, I don't decorate with blue on a regular basis, but for the 4th I wanted to do something different in certain spots. So I thought this would add a nice touch. So in the comments, tell me if you collect Mackenzie Child or Pioneer Woman. Now, of course, she's much more affordable, Pioneer Woman that is. I wanted to get a couple of her pieces, which I did, and I haven't shown you yet. I will do a haul, but the majority of what I have that's inspired, it is inspired by Mackenzie Child, and I just made it. And I started this last year. For those of you that are new to my channel, and by the way, thank you for everyone that has been subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I am going to try my hand at actually painting one day, but for now this works for me. Okay, I'll be back when I have all of this done, and then you'll see what I'm going to do with it. Okay. What I'm going to do now, since I painted it with our Midnight, which is a very, very deep blue, but as you can see, some of the lighter still comes through, and that's okay, but I like this color much better. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to Mod Podge over it just to seal in that color. And I won't go over just what I've colored. I won't go over just what I painted. I'll go over all of it. And I'm going to go over it very lightly because I don't want that paint to smear. When you hear you can't do this kind of stuff, if you don't have a laser printer, anything I've ever tried so far, I have never had a problem, and I've been able to do it with my inkjet. This is not laser, it's inkjet. Don't let that stop you from trying, no matter what you're trying to do, okay? Okay, I'm going to let that dry, and then we will put it to its DIY use. So here is the printout that I made from Mackenzie Child, and it's in the darker blue, which I really, really like. And I'm going to put it on this Dollar Tree plate, just like we did with the bees and the floral and the two-tier tray. And Mod Podging it after really helps, I'll tell you. And this has just been printed on regular printer paper that you use in your computer. Just the regular old white thin printer paper. Okay. All right. And see, it's almost like oilcloth is what it reminds me of. All right. So now, and it fits on this salad plate perfectly. Love this thing because you can clean it so nice. Okay. Okay, now I want to turn it over just to make sure that I have it even. And this is exactly like we did the two-tier and the bees and the floral, exactly the same. Well, here is our Mackenzie Child in the royal blue, and it's still drying, and then I'm going to come in and cut around and trim it with the gold paint pen. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to take one of these plastic plates from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to Mod Podge this on. People have asked me if you can Mod Podge fabric, and I'm going to show you that yes, you can. You most certainly can. So I just cut out a piece and then I'll trim it. I can see through that because I want to get the picture kind of centered where I want it. Which is nice. You're not guessing. Yep, that's good. Okay. This is a pretty thick material. I got this from Joann's last year, was it? I think it was last year. And you do exactly like you do with the tissue paper, napkins, or fabric. Exactly the same way. I believe I have one more DIY for this year for my Patriotic Decor. There you go. Very pretty, very pretty. So I'm going to let that dry and then we'll cut around it. Okay, I'm back. It's dry. And this one is dry as well. So I'm going to put these together. This is going to be really cute. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to trim off any excess. And then with this one, I'm going to come in with the gold pen, okay, and go around it. There's that. You guys, how easy is this? And the fabric works really, really good. See that? It's very late in the evening, so the lighting isn't quite as good as it would be if it was during the day, but I just come in and start working whenever I get the chance, so bear with me. Okay, so that one's done. Now for this, we're just going to come in like we have before. And just go around the edge. That gold really does add to it. Okay, guys. That is it for these plates. I'm going to use these flowers from Walmart somewhere with them in my Patriotic Decor. I think these would look really, really pretty with it. So get yourself a Dollar Tree plate, some plastic plates, and have fun. Print out some, print out whatever you want to print out. Get some fabric that you have. Very inexpensive, but it will add an adorable punch to your decor. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.